In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Canva. We'll walk through this together from inside the Canva editor, so even if you're brand new to the platform, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll have animated text you can use in social media posts, presentations, or videos. First, make sure you're in a Canva design, like a presentation slide or a social media template. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the option labeled Text. It usually has a small T icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a text panel where you can access different text styles, font combinations, and basic text options. Once the text panel opens, you'll see a button that says Add a text box. Click on that button. A new text box will appear on your design canvas, usually in the center of the page. You can click and drag this box to position it wherever you want on your design, and you can also drag the corners to resize it. Now, click inside the text box and type in the text you want to animate. This could be a title, a short phrase, or a call to action. Take a moment to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so the text looks the way you want before you animate it. You can use the toolbar at the top of the screen to change these settings. Making the text visually clear and legible is important because animation will highlight whatever you've typed. After your text looks good, the next step is to follow the on-screen prompts inside Canva. When you select the text box, Canva may show you suggestions like Animate or display a small animation button in the top toolbar. Click on that to open the animation options. From here, you can hover over different effects to preview how your text will move, such as fading in, sliding, or bouncing. Choose the one that best fits the style of your design. As you adjust these settings, Canva might guide you with hints or small tooltips, so pay attention to those prompts. They can help you tweak things like animation speed or direction. When you're happy with how it looks, play your design to see the full animation in action, and then you're ready to download or share your project.